Join me as I challenge myself to incorporate 7 surprising foods into my diet for a week to boost my brain health. In this video, you'll discover 7 unexpected foods that can boost your brain power and overall mental health. Many people struggle with cognitive decline and forgetfulness as they age, but the right diet can help combat these issues. Cognitive function is a complex process that involves many factors, including nutrition, and making informed choices about what we eat can have a significant impact. Our brains rely on a variety of essential nutrients to function properly, and deficiencies in these nutrients can lead to problems with focus, memory, and mood. Eating a balanced diet that includes a wide range of whole foods can help support brain health and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. As we age, it's especially important to prioritize nutrient-dense foods that provide the necessary building blocks for healthy brain function. We'll explore each of the 7 foods, discussing their unique benefits and how they contribute to a healthier brain. The first food on our list is fatty fish, which is rich in omega-3 fatty acids that support brain function and development. Another food that makes the list is dark chocolate, which contains flavonoids that can help improve blood flow to the brain. Turmeric is also a potent ingredient that has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help protect the brain from damage. Each of these foods has been shown to have a positive impact on brain health, and incorporating them into our diet can have a significant impact. The combination of these foods can help support cognitive function, improve mood, and even reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Get ready for the big reveal of the top food that might just surprise you. It's a game changer for your brain health. This food is fermented kimchi, which is rich in probiotics and other nutrients that support gut health and brain function. Kimchi has been shown to have a positive impact on cognitive function, and its unique blend of nutrients makes it a powerful tool for supporting brain health. The other foods on our list, including walnuts, blueberries, and spinach, also have unique benefits that make them essential for a healthy brain. Each of these foods can be easily incorporated into our diet, and they can have a significant impact when consumed as part of a balanced diet. By combining these foods, we can provide our brains with the nutrients they need to function properly. To wrap up, remember that incorporating these foods into your diet can lead to improved cognitive function and memory. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. You are invited to subscribe to Camaraderie Health Agency YouTube channel or go to www.camaraderiehealthagency.com or call 224-433-5754.